Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix voice recorder not working on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Installed Apps, type Voice Recorder. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists, click Reset. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Voice Recorder, click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Uninstall. Type Voice Recorder. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, open Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, right-click MICR phone, click Enable, click Set Default, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.